In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase real-time notification. So if you're trying to get notified for a certain activity within the Chase platform, in this video, let me show you how you can set it up. So you just need to head over to your profile settings, and right here you'd be able to see the option called Manage Alerts. Within Manage Alerts, you'd be able to select a particular category. In some cases, you also may be able to see a option which lets you select a choose an alert, or you can also look at other few options such as the way that the alert is delivered. So first of all, you need to head over to the choose alert option, which is choosing a activity. For example, if you select online or phone activity, this will instantly ping whenever you make a purchase online as well as offline. So this is an example of an activity that you can get notified for. Secondly, you'll also have the option of choosing the delivery method, where either you want to get a push notification directly on the application, or you can also choose the email option. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to get the Chase real-time notification. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.